Good evening, Captain.
Good evening. Good evening, Mr. Gilman. We missed you at dinner, sir.
I told the steward to throw it over the rail. Save me the trouble.
But we're in port now, sir. Why don't you go ashore and get your sea legs back?
What? And leave Newlander here alone with that fraud Corcoran?
Businessman, sir.
He certainly is. I wouldn't care if it was a
The ground is shaking under steel and flame. 1,000 restless heartbeats calling out my name. The night is wide open, hungry for the sin. Step into the fire now. Let the riot begin. Raise your hands to the sky, let the thunder decide. Every heartbeat's a drum, every soul's on the line. If the night wants war, then we're ready to fight. We're the spark.